Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you haircare enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the creme de la creme of dry shampoos, Pureology Style Plus Protect Refresh and Go Dry Shampoo. This isn't just any dry shampoo, folks. This is the pinnacle of haircare innovation, designed specifically for those with oily, color-treated locks. Let me break down why this is the best Pureology Dry Shampoo Spray you can get your hands on. First off, it's formulated to absorb excess oil without drying out your hair. Plus, it offers protection against color fade, heat damage, and environmental stressors, perfect for maintaining that vibrant color. But wait, there's more. This dry shampoo not only refreshes your hair but also adds volume and texture, giving you that coveted salon-worthy look right at home. So, how do you use this miracle product? It's simple. Just mist it throughout your root area, brush through from roots to ends, and voila! Instantly refreshed, volumized hair. Now, let's talk about what sets Pureology apart: their commitment to using natural ingredients and aromatherapy. With rice starch to absorb oils and a refreshing blend of floral tuberose, almond milk, and cedarwood, your senses are in for a treat. And if you're wondering which Pureology range is right for you, look no further. Whether you need hydration, strength, volume, or smoothness, Pureology has got you covered. In conclusion, if you're tired of dealing with oily, color-treated hair, look no further than Pureology Style Plus Protect Refresh and Go Dry Shampoo. It's not just a haircare product, it's a game changer. Trust me, your locks will thank you later. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, stay fabulous.